on in another step towards the process for the demerger of its financial services businesses, Reliance Industries will hold a meeting of secured and unsecured creditors and shareholders on the 2nd of May to get the mandatory approvals. My colleague Somit is here with more details. Over to you, Somit.
Well, the recent announcement when it comes to Reliance Industries is the fact that the company will be holding a meeting of secured, unsecured creditors and the shareholders, and this meeting is a procedural thing that the company needs to do if it needs to get the NCLT approval for the demerger of Jio Financial Services. Now, this meeting will be held on 2nd May, and if approved, then it will lead to one more step completion towards the demerger and listing of Jio Financial Services. Now, apart from this, they also require approvals from NCLT, RBI, IRDAI, that is the insurance regulatory, and there are various other regulatory approvals that the company still needs to take. So the merger could still take, demerger and listing could still take some time. So what do we know so far about this Jio Financial Services? Firstly, the share issuance ratio for the shareholders would be 1:1, which means that for every one share of Reliance Industries, the shareholder will get an equal share of this demerged entity, that is Jio Financial Services. And they have also appointed KV Kamath, who's a veteran banker in the Indian banking industry, as one of the directors in the Jio Financial Services. And what does this company intends to do over the next 3 years? Well, it intends to provide lending services to consumers, merchants going forward. They're also looking to expand in other verticals, that is insurance, payments, digital broking and asset management companies. Now, they are aiming to build a digital fintech platform which will serve all the Indians. And one of the most important thing that the company aims to do is to bring in strategic and financial investors in this demerged entity. Now, the valuations of this company is still not owned because analysts, our broking community has still not ascribed any value to this unit. But what do we know is that this financial services will be owning close to 6.1% stake in Reliance Industries, which will be valued at close to 95,000 crore rupees. So if we break down the per share value of this, then it comes to around 140 rupees. But if we also need to apply the holding company discount, which could range anywhere between 30 to 60%. So this is what so far we know about the valuations of this demerged entity. And this demerged entity will be competing against the listed Paytm, PB Fintech, Angel One, IIFL Securities and Anand Rathi Wealth, because all these companies are directly or indirectly present in all the industries that Jio Financial Services aims to cater going forward.
Well, thank you so much, Somit, for highlighting what's the news flow on Reliance Industries and why the stock is up anywhere between 3.5% to 4% in today's trading session. But with this, we'll